everybody, welcome to Perfect Typewriter 590, and today we're in Rec Room. Yippee! Because I have a couple things to show you. You can probably already see it in the background. I made a fully functional typewriter. So, yes, you can see that it says text there. So if I press this button, you get a watch notification, and you text whatever you want. So, PT 590. There. And this button has kind of a typewriter text. I can't. Okay. Anyway, since the sound isn't mine, I can't change like the sound and text that the typewriter made, but I made everything else. So, anyway, so same thing with this typewriter that I made. Press the button, type what you want, Shift P L 590, and there it shows up there on the typewriter. And you got the sound too. And there's also a world that I would like to show you. Typewriter world. I didn't make this, unfortunately. It would be cool if I did, but it's basically another fully functional typewriter, but it's huge. It's literally huge. Just look at it. Unfortunately, I have to use teleport. So we have to insert the paper. Button floats up there. If I could get up. Oh, wait, I can get up there. I could press the button again. Anyway, sorry. Okay. We're gonna rate obviously P E R R per never mind. Wait. Eject. So what you can do, since it's basically just the dry erase marker, you can just erase it. Which, as you guys probably know, typewriters aren't like that. Anyway. So what was I gonna rate? I'm gonna rate okay. If you know my other channel, you should know Thief. Thief is Lord and Thief is life. New line, please. Thief is well, I don't want to continue this. This is slow. Sorry. But anyway. Typewriter circuit? What? I was going to end the video, but then I saw that. I wonder what it is. Kudos to whoever owns this. Thank you. Anyway. I want to see what this is. It's just... It's the same goddamn thing. Oh. Oh. There's maker pens. Oh, charades pen. There's charades pens. This is stupid. Well, anyway. Alright, my people. Stay perfect. And, have a good rest of your day.